My video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the unwanted browser extension called Explore Spot. This video is solely for the educational purposes. This Explore Spot extension specifically targets Google Chrome browser, and it actually changes your default search engine settings. For instance, if you are accustomed to use Google and this extension is in place, you start submitting some search queries and you notice that the results are redirected through the site explorespot.io. No matter what search queries you submit, you get these redirections through explorespot.io, and then eventually the results are delivered by boyu.com.tr. We have already mentioned another video about this boyu.com.tr redirection. So anyway, to stop such browser redirection issues, you need to remove this extension from your Google Chrome. Access the menu, go to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and then remove this Explore Spot extension from the list. Also, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Download it, install the software, and once it is successfully installed, start investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and then eliminate other infections which might still possibly remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.